Would you like to learn how to make some super yummy black beans in the crock pot, just like this? You would? Good, because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight. Got noises in my stomach.
Let's get started with rinsing off the black beans with some cold water and searching through the beans trying to find any ugly ones or any ones that don't look good. Usually you would want to soak your beans like overnight to cut down on the cooking time, and also soaking them can eliminate some of the gases that eating beans can bring. But lucky for us, when you make them in the crock pot, you don't have to soak them. Now, because I am super brilliant and I obtain extraordinary culinary capabilities, I put me up this good old ham bone the last time I made a ham, and now it's going to come in handy. But if you don't eat pork, I hope things get better for you. You can just use a smoked turkey wing or any kind of smoked meat to flavor the beans will do. Or you can leave the meat out altogether, and I'm also going to be using some pork bouillon, which will also give the beans a smoky flavor. By the way, the exact ingredient list, the measurements and such will be in the description box below. Now we're going to add the black beans to the crock pot as well as some onions. I'm using red because that's what I had in the house. I'm also going to add some bay leaves and some sazon, the tomato one. And then I'm going to add that pork bouillon that I was talking about earlier. Now, of course, Puerto Rican style black beans is going to require some sofrito. Sofrito is a blend of onions, garlic, multicolored bell peppers, cilantro, and some other herbs. I'll put my sofrito or green seasoning recipe above. Now, a little bacon grease is the secret to some bomb behind black beans. But again, if you don't eat pork, you can leave it out. I was just trying to help your palate. Now I'm going to add some adobo. I use adobo in place of salt because it has more flavor. Now I'm going to add some ASIL, which is my own all-purpose seasoning. You can grab you some with the link pinned in the comment section. But if you don't have it, just use a little seasoned salt and some onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. And then I'm going to go in with some cumin before adding in some beef broth. Or you could use chicken broth. Or you could use water. Just make sure to fill the liquid up about a ½ inch above the beans. Give it a good stir and get everything all nice and well combined. And then we're going to cook the beans on low for about 6 to 8 hours, depending on your crock pot. And after 8 hours, this is what my Puerto Rican style black beans are looking like. Look at all that yumminess up in there, baby. Now just make you some white rice and you can thank me later.
Lisa D Delight. Got noises in my stomach, so I guess I'm feeling hungry. I click that YouTube Lisa D so I can kill this rumbling. But when I'm in the kitchen, don't know what I'm doing, stumbling. This time I try to cook, I burn it all up with some rumbling. Lisa, help me please, yeah. You got what I need, yeah. Help me split these peas.
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will, all the time. You already know these black beans came out super flavorful and delicious. I hope you try and like the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
So good. Make sure you like and subscribe and you make it so good. Make sure you like and subscribe.